Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Revoke.cash to remove token allowances safely step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Revoke.cash website. Once the website has loaded, ensure that your wallet is connected. Click on the Connect Wallet button, which is typically located at the top right of the page. Choose your wallet from the available options, such as MetaMask or Wallet Connect. After connecting your wallet, give the site a moment to load your token allowances. You should now see a list of the tokens you have approved for spending. Review the list carefully, as it displays the smart contracts that have access to your tokens. For a specific token you wish to revoke, locate it on the list. Click on the Revoke button next to the token you want to remove allowances for. A confirmation prompt will appear, detailing the transaction. Review the details thoroughly to ensure you are revoking the correct token. Once confirmed, proceed to click on Confirm to initiate the revocation process. Your wallet will then ask you to confirm the transaction. Review the gas fees and then approve the transaction in your wallet. After a few moments, you should receive a notification that the transaction has been successful. You can now return to the Revoke.cash dashboard to verify that the allowance has been removed. Repeat these steps for any additional tokens you want to revoke allowances for. That's how to safely remove token allowances using Revoke.cash. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.